just preparing the spices. Welcome back, Lexi. Kiara is very excited. Give me. Don't drop double lagi kay ma-dirty. Ay. Hey. I heard it was typhoon in the Philippines. Yes. Yes, that's true. But not in our area. The typhoon now is in Luzon. We are living in Visayas. We are in Visayas, not in Luzon. Mostly the typhoon goes to Luzon. Then here is just a little bit windy, sprinkling, but not too much. Ay, gidrak jud ko dapyo jud kay ikaw. Also, you miss iPhone. No, Aya. Wait, Kiara. You stay there and wait. Okay. Sit, my love. Very good. Very good, my love. My love. Very good. Mwah. Very good. My dog is very, very good. She's very good, and ma'am. Too much. Give me, my love. Sit back. Oh, baby. Where is it? Where's the ball, my love? Where is it? Louie, get the ball, please. No, I mean your area, Miss Typhoon. Yeah. Yeah, just a little bit windy. The ball has no air. It has split. Yes. Shoot by Kiara. Where's the ball, my love? Go get the ball. Hello, my love. Mwah. Hey, what's happened? What's happened? What happened? The ball is there. You got it. No, it's not. Garden is not beautiful because Kiara always running here, and Louis, you know, the garden is not beautiful when we have animals living. What's happened? Nothing. Kiara is always running, and yeah, you know, nice flowers there. Yeah, I planted it. Yes.